Look at your bathroom right now, not a designer or homeowner trying to justify it. Look at it like you just walked into a hotel for the first time. And be honest with yourself. Does it feel calm or feel warm? Or does it feel expensive? Or does it feel cold and a little bit uncomfortable? Because here is the truth most people don't realize. A bathroom can look perfect but can still feel completely wrong. That's slightly harsh lighting, those hard reflective surfaces. The way the space almost pushes you out instead of letting you relax. And that's not random, that's psychology. And the reason your bathroom doesn't feel cozy has nothing to do with its size. And today I am going to show you 7 powerful design rules that will completely change how your bathroom feels. So, before we start, if you enjoyed the video after watching, please subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Bad mirror placement breaks the space. Mirrors don't just reflect you, they reflect the feeling of the entire space. So, just imagine it. If your mirror is facing clutter, you haven't just created a mess, you have doubled it. If it's catching harsh light or awkward angles, unfortunately, it amplifies the discomfort. That's why bad mirror placements can break a bathroom. It's not just functional, it's psychological. And the fix is simple. Be intentional about what your mirror is facing. Keep clutter out of its view. Position it to catch natural or soft lighting. And let it reflect the best part of the room, not the worst. Because mirrors doesn't just show your space. It defines how your space feels. Number 2. Lighting is everything. Most bathroom fails right here. Lighting. One harsh ceiling light and suddenly your bathroom feels like a retreat and more like a hospital. The problem isn't the space, it's how it's being lit. Flat, direct lighting kills depth, flattens texture, and creates that cold, uninviting atmosphere. Warm, layered lighting is what changes everything. It adds softness, creates shadows, and makes the space feel more intimate and relaxed. That's why well designed bathrooms never rely on just one light source. They build a mood. And the fix is simple but very powerful. Start by switching to warmer bulbs, then add layers, soft wall lights around the mirror, a gentle under cabinet glow, or indirect lighting that reflects off surfaces instead of hitting you directly. Even one or two of these changes can completely transform the feeling. Because light is not just visibility, it's emotion. Number 3. No depth, no luxury. When everything in your bathroom sits on one flat plane, it instantly feels cheap. Flat walls, flat lighting, flat surfaces. There is nothing for the eye to explore. So the space ends up feeling basic and lifeless. It's not about how expensive the materials are. It's about the lack of depth. Luxury spaces have always have layers. Subtle ones but intentional. Recessed niches, floating shelves, variation in lighting, even small shifts in materials, all of these create shadows and dimension, which makes the space feel much more richer and more considered. And the best part is, the fix doesn't require a full renovation. Start by introducing layers. At a niche if possible. Use shelving instead of everything being flush. Or bring in layered lighting that creates highlights and shadows. Even small changes can break that flatness. Because depth isn't decoration. It's what makes a space feel expensive. Number 4. Poor drainage, hidden stress. You may not see it right away, but you feel it. When water pools on the floor or drains slowly, something feels off. The space starts to feel slightly uncomfortable, even if you can't explain why. That's because your brain reads it as unfinished, like something isn't working the way it should. Luxury bathrooms never have this problem. Everything flows. Water disappears quickly, cleanly, effortlessly, and that sense of control is what makes the space feel calm and complete. And the fix is practical but important. Make sure your flow has the proper slope toward the drain, and also keep all clean. And if needed, upgrade to the more efficient drainage system. Even small adjustments can completely change how the space feels. Because comfort isn't just what you see, it's what works without you noticing. Number 5. Cheap fixtures, instant downgrade. You touch them every single day, and whether you realize it or not, you feel the quality instantly. Cheap fixtures, lightweight taps, flimsy handles, weak finishes, unfortunately create a cheap experience, not just visually, but physically. The moment something feels off in your hand, it quietly lowers the entire perception of the space. Luxury bathrooms get this right. Fixtures feel solid, smooth, precise. There is weight, control, and a sense of intention in every interaction. And that's what elevates the whole experience. And the good part is, fix is very simple. Upgrade what you touch. Invest in better quality taps, shower controls, and handles with a solid feel and durable finish. You don't need to change everything. Just improving a few key pieces can completely shift how the space feels. Because, in the end, design isn't just what you see, it's what you feel every day. Number 6. Wrong floor feel. Step into your bathroom in the morning, and the first thing you feel is the cold tile under your feet. Unfortunately, it's an instant discomfort. It doesn't matter how beautiful the space looks. If it feels harsh at the moment you enter, your brain registers it as uninviting. That cold, hard surface creates a subtle resistance that takes away from any sense of comfort. Luxury bathrooms thinks about it. They soften the experience from the ground up through texture, warmth, and materials that feel good the moment you step on them. And the fix is simple. Add a proper, high quality bath mat. Introduce texture rugs where possible. Or, if you are renovating, consider heated flooring. Even small changes can completely shift how the space feels from the very first step. Because comfort doesn't start with what you see, it starts what you feel under your feet. Number 7. Visible clutter, mental stress. Walk into your bathroom and your eyes land on shampoos, bottles, and random products everywhere. Your brain reads it as noise, even if everything technically clean. Unfortunately, it doesn't feel clean. The visual clutter creates a low-level stress that makes the space feel busy and unsettled instead of calm. Luxury bathrooms don't eliminate products, they hide them. Clean surfaces, controlled visuals, and only a few intentional items on display. That what creates that effortless, relaxed feeling. And the fix is straightforward. Move everyday items into drawers, cabinet, or niches. Use matching dispensers to simplify what stays out. And keep surfaces as clean as possible. The less your eye has to process, the more your mind can relax. Because coziness isn't about adding more, it's about seeing less. So let's wrap it up. Now, take a second and just look your bathroom again. Because what we talk about today, the lighting, the clutter, the textures, the details, none of these are random. They are signals that your brain reading every single day. That cold feeling, that slightly discomfort, that lack of calm. It's not because of your bathroom is small. It's because it's sending the wrong signals. But the moment you fix them, soften the light, hide the clutter, after that everything changes. Same space but completely different feeling. Because great design isn't about what you add, it's about what your space makes you feel without even realizing it. So next time you walk into a bathroom, Ask yourself one question. Does this space relax me? Or does it quietly stress me out? And if this video helped you see your space differently, and of course, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe. It really helps my channel. And of course, please comment on below. I will see you on the next one. Until then, please stay safe.